Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the iPhone off and removing the SIM tray so nothing powers the board. Make sure to work on an ESD-safe surface. Once done, position a small tray for screws and place the new display nearby. You next remove the two pentalobe screws by the lightning port and apply a suction handle to lift the screen gently, partial lift only. That gives access to the protective bracket screws. Keep a phone camera ready to photograph each step for reference. You now open the display like a book from the bottom edge, prop it at a small angle and insert a plastic pick to hold it. Make sure to remove the bracket over the connectors and then disconnect the battery first to prevent shorts. Next, unplug the display cables in sequence: digitizer, OLED/LCD, and front camera assembly. Use a spudger and tri-point for specific screws. When removing connectors, lift at the corner. Slow, steady motions prevent torn pads or bent pins. You fit the front-facing sensor and transfer any metal brackets to the replacement display, aligning clips and screws carefully so components sit flush. Once reassembled, reconnect the display cables and then the battery, power on and test touch, true depth, cameras, and Face ID before closing. This avoids reopening. If all works, reseat the display and reinstall the pentalobe screws. If the screen is unresponsive, check for loose connectors, bent pins, or a discharged battery. Reconnect and retest, then replace parts if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.